12 हम पढ़ रहे थे, मैंने आपको थोड़ा बहुत बताया था अबाउट एविडेंसेस ऑफ इवोल्यूशन। एविडेंसेस ऑफ इवोल्यूशन में हम पहले ले लेंगे एविडेंसेस फ्रॉम कंपैरेटिव एनाटॉमी एंड मॉर्फोलॉजी। एविडेंसेस फ्रॉम मैंने रफली बताया था, और टुडे कंप्लीटली इन एलॉबरेटेड मैनर वी विल कंपैरेटिव एनाटॉमी एंड मॉर्फोलॉजी। Comparative anatomy and morphology, you know that organ system level of organization, organ system level of organization, organ system level of organization has been seen in vertebrates. Vertebrates में हमने क्या देखा है? In all the vertebrates from fishes to mammals, fishes में, amphibians में, reptiles में, birds में, mammals में, सारों में organ system of level होती है. There are systems: digestive system, reproductive system, nervous system, excretory system, integumentary system, and skeletal system. All the systems are present in these vertebrates. This shows the relationship between them. Relationship. Also, the lower vertebrates have low developed organs, and the higher vertebrates have higher organs, which shows complexity from simple. First, simple vertebrates have evolved, and later the complex vertebrates. मैंने आपको थोड़ा बताया है about the homologous organs. Homologous organs are the organs having same structure, but they are having different functions. Same structure, same origin, but different in function. For example, I have told you the four limbs. Four limbs. Four limbs of birds, four limbs of the reptiles, four limbs of mammals. They are having same homology, same origin, same structure, but they are used differently in different animals. For example, in case of birds, they are used for flying. In case of the mammals, in some they are used for running. In some they are used for walking. These are the homologous organs, have same structure but different functions. Also, the mouth parts of insects are the homologous organs. Mouth parts of insects have same structure but functionally the mouth parts are different. In some insects, the mouth parts are chewing type mouth parts. In some they are biting type mouth parts. In some they are sucking type mouth parts. In some they are siphoning type mouth parts. In some they are piercing type of mouth parts. Different types of mouth parts are found in different types of insects. Plants में भी मैंने आपको बताया है. In plants there is homology. Homologous organs are present in plants like Biogenevidia and Cucurbita. I have told you already. Biogenevidia and Cucurbita. Also molecular homology. Molecular homology has been seen among the organisms, as all the vertebrates are made up of proteins. This is the molecular homology. All have relationship between them on the basis of molecules, on the basis of proteins present in them. All have the homologous organs. All have the we can say the mouth parts. Therefore, they are related with each other. Another type of organs, opposite to homologous organs, they are analogous organs. Analogous organs are those organs that are structurally different, but functionally they are same. Structurally different, functionally same. For example, if we can take the wings of insects and the wings of birds, wings of insects and wings of birds cannot resemble. They are different in structure. Wings of birds are very delicate. The wings of insects are very delicate, and of birds they are complex. They are formed of feathers. But both the wings, whether they will be the wings of insects or they will be the wings of birds, they are used for flying. Similarly, there are the pectoral fins of sharks and the flippers of dolphin. Pectoral fins of shark, pectoral fins of shark, pectoral fins of shark, and the dolphin में होते हैं flippers. Flippers of dolphin. They are same in function but different in structure. Pectoral fins of shark and the filiporus of dolphin, they does not resemble in structure. They have different structures, but their function is same. They are used in swimming. Similarly, the stings of honeybee and the stings of scorpion. Sting of honeybee में sting होती है और इसी तरह स्कॉर्पियन में भी होता है ये स्टिंग दोनों का सिटिंग स्ट्रक्चरली डिफरेंट है बट द फंक्शन ऑफ द स्टिंग इज सेम दे आर यूज्ड टू सिटिंग therefore these are the analogous organs having the different structure but same function like the wings of birds and insects like the pectoral fins of sharks and the filiporus of dolphin like stings of honeybee and stings of scorpion. They are analogous organs. Another types of organs, there are vestigial organs. Vestigial organs are those organs which are rudimentary organs, which are functionless organs, but in some they are functional. But in some they are rudimentary, they are functionless, they cannot perform any function, they are reduced. Almost 19 vestigial organs, functionless organs, reduced organs are present in our body. Among them, some interesting or the nictitating membrane in our body. It is a vestigial organ. Auricular muscles of the pinna. Our pinna is present in the ear. Ear muscles have the auricular muscles, and these auricular muscles are also vestigial organs. They have no function. Vermiform appendix is there. Vermiform appendix is also vestigial organ. Likewise, wisdom teeth are there. Wisdom teeth, molars we can say, they are all vestigial organs, wisdom teeth. Also, there are connecting links among animals. Connecting links show relationship between the animals. There are connecting links like the connecting link between the plants and animals. मैंने बताया Euglena, EUGLENA, Euglena. It is a connecting link between the plants and animals. Euglena has chloroplasts. It can produce food. Euglena has animal-like characters as well. Therefore, it is the connecting link between the plants and animals. Likewise, the connecting link between protozoa and porifera is Proterospongia. 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 Proterospongia is the connecting link between the protozoa and the sponges. It shows the relationship between the two groups, between the protozoans and the sponges. Also, lungfishes are the connecting links between the fishes and the amphibians. Lungfishes, I have told you, there are three types of lungfishes. Another is one is African lungfish, which is known as Protopterus. Another is South American lungfish, which is known as Lepidosiren. And another is Australian lungfish, which is Neoceratodus. Neoceratodus is Australian, Lepidosiren is South American, and African is Protopterus. Protopterus, Lepidosiren, and Neoceratodus. These are the lungfishes. These are the connecting links between the fishes and the animals. Likewise, the connecting link between the hemichordata and chordata is Belanoglosus. Belanoglosus, which is known as tongueworm, acornworm, Belanoglosus. Belanoglosus is the connecting link between non-cardiatus and cardiatus. इसी तरह Neopilina, it is the connecting link between Annelida and Mollusca. Neopilina, it is the connecting link between Annelida and Mollusca. इसी तरह Peripatus. Peripatus is the connecting link between Arthropoda and Annelida. Peripatus is the connecting link between Arthropoda and Annelida. Arthropoda and Annelida को connect करता है Peripatus. Neopilina connect करता है Annelida को mollusca के साथ. Protopterus, Neoceratodus, Lepidosiren, lungfishes, they connected the fishes with the amphibians. Belanoglosus connecting the, we can say, the non-chordatus with the chordatus. Likewise, there are the egg-laying mammals which connect the reptiles with the mammals, egg-laying mammals. We can see egg-laying mammals are also known as ornithorhynchus or duck-billed platypus. Sorry, duck-billed platypus. Duck-billed platypus, or we can also say ornithorhynchus or duck-billed platypus. These are the egg-laying mammals which connected the mammals with the reptiles. Also, another character is atavism. Atavism, Atavism. Atavism is the reversion of the ancestral characters in some babies. जब babies जिनके हैं तो इनमें अचानक कोई character आता है पिछले वालों ancestors का जो इसके पीछे ancestors होते हैं like in some babies tail is seen. कुछ बच्चों में tail होता है छोटा tail फिर ये गायब हो जाता है. It shows the relationship of the human with the other animals like apes and monkeys. Tail is seen in some babies. In some babies, dense hair is seen, just like monkeys. Therefore, it is known as atavism, which is the reversion of ancestral characters. In some babies, pinna is very large, moving pinna. उनमें pinna बहुत बड़ा होता है, जैसे बाकी mammals में pinna होता है. This is atavism. In some there are long canine teeth. Canine teeth long होते हैं. It is also atavism. Atavism are the reversion of ancestral characters like tail in some babies. Here there are the canines, there is the pinna which is movable. These are some characters, and this was all about evidences from comparative anatomy and morphology.